Disney's Riviera Resort is one of the newest deluxe resorts at Disney World and one of the most talked about. Some people swear it's Disney's luxury done right. Others say it's overpriced and missing that classic Disney feel. So, which one is it? And more importantly, is it right for you on your next vacation? Today, we're giving you the full, honest tour of Disney's Riviera Resort, the good, the not so good, and the things you really need to know before you book. We're walking you through the theme, the rooms, the pools, the food, and that Skyliner access everyone raves about. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Riviera is on your short list or not. I'm Lee
And Lee
with
with
All
All
About
About
the
the
Duck.
Duck. And the very first thing you noticed when you arrive at the Riviera is how different it feels from most Disney resorts. You drive up a palm lined road toward this bright white building with archways, terracotta roofs, and clean Mediterranean lines. It's inspired by the European Riviera, the places Walt Disney and Lillian Disney loved to travel to, and that influence is everywhere. What really stands out is how calm and polished it feels. The grounds are immaculate with manicured gardens, fountains, and wide open green spaces where you'll find things like bocce ball courts and giant chess. It's definitely grand, but it never feels overwhelming or stuffy. And unlike many Disney resorts, the theming here is very subtle. You won't see giant character statues or bold colors everywhere. Instead, the Disney magic shows up through art. Throughout the resort, you'll find pieces inspired by Disney films, reimagined in the style of European artists. And when you walk in from the Skyliner, you're greeted by two massive mosaics from Peter Pan and Tangled that are absolutely stunning. The whole place feels fresh, bright, and elegant, much more like a boutique luxury resort than a theme park hotel.
That understated elegance carries right into the lobby. It's smaller and more intimate than resorts like the Grand Floridian or Polynesian, which gives it a cozy boutique feel. During peak check in times, it can feel a little busy, but honestly, it fits the overall vibe of the resort. Right off the lobby is Le Petit Cafe, and this spot is a gem in the morning. It's perfect for coffee and pastries. At night, it transforms into a wine bar with small plates, and it genuinely feels like something you'd stumble onto on a European vacation. Outside, the resort layout really shines. Everything feels close and walkable. Pools, dining, transportation, nothing feels like a marathon. There's also a beautiful 1.4-mile walking and running trail around the Barefoot Bay, shared with Caribbean Beach, plus a fire pit for s'mores and movies under the stars on the lawn at night.
One thing we love about the Riviera is the pools match whatever mood you're in. If you want energy and fun, the Riviera pool is the main hub. It has a winding water slide that wraps around a stone tower, plenty of lounge chairs, and a lively atmosphere. Right next to it is S'il vous plaît splash area, which is fantastic for kids. It's inspired by European fountains and features characters from Fantasia. The whole area is super convenient too. Bar Riviera is right there for drinks, and Primo Piatti makes grabbing lunch or snacks really easy. But if you're looking for something quieter, the Beau Soleil pool is where you'll want to go. It's tucked away in a peaceful courtyard, smaller, calmer, and perfect for relaxing with a book. It feels very adult and serene, and it's a great contrast to the main pool area.
Before we head inside to talk about the rooms and the food, which are huge at this resort, If this guide is helping you out, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and lets us know if you want more deep dives into resort tours like this. Now, let's talk about the rooms, because this is where Riviera really sets itself apart. Since it's a Disney Vacation Club resort, you've got a wide range of options. The most talked about and honestly most controversial are the Tower Studios. These are designed for two people and are the smallest rooms on Disney property. The bed pulls down from the wall over the couch. And while the design is clever, there's no getting around how tight they feel. They're interesting, but they're really only practical for solo travelers or very light packers. Most guests go with the deluxe studios, which sleep up to five. You get a queen bed, a pull down queen, a small pull down bunk for a child, a kitchenette with a mini fridge and microwave, and a private balcony or patio. The finishes are beautiful, and the Disney details are subtle but really well done. For families needing space, the one, two, and three-bedroom villas are incredible. Full kitchens, washers and dryers, large living spaces, and some even have bubble jet tubs. The three-bedroom grand villa sleeps up to 12 and are absolutely ideal for large family trips.
If there's one area where Riviera truly shines, it's food. This is easily some of the best dining you'll find at any Disney resort. Topolino's Terrace is the star of the show. In the morning, it hosts breakfast a la art, a character breakfast where Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy appear in artist outfits. You start with pastries and then choose an entree like quiche or sour cream waffles. At night, it becomes a signature dining experience with French and Italian flavors. Handmade pasta, escargot, filet mignon, and the views are incredible. You can even hear the Epcot fireworks music from the terrace, which makes it feel extra special. Even the quick service here is elevated. Primo Piata serves genuinely great food from blueberry lemon pancakes to heart baked pizza and a fantastic croque monsieur. And Bar Riva is more than just a pool bar, it's a destination for cocktails and shareable plates.
One of the biggest perks of staying at Riviera is the Skyliner station right on property. From here, you have a direct ride to Epcot's International Gateway in about 10 minutes and easy access to Hollywood Studios through Caribbean Beach. It's fast, scenic, and so much more relaxing than the buses. Just keep in mind it does close occasionally for maintenance. For example, it's scheduled to be down January 25th through January 31st of 2026, and it can pause during severe weather. When that happens, buses are provided, but it's worth planning around.
So, is the Riviera worth the deluxe price? On the plus side, the resort is elegant, calm, and beautifully designed. The dining is outstanding, the Skyliner access is unbeatable, and the resort layout is incredibly convenient. On the downside, the price is high. The Disney theming is subtle, which may not appeal to families wanting bold characters everywhere. Tower studios are very small, and availability, especially for villas, can be limited.
For us, Riviera absolutely lives up to the hype. It's luxurious without being stuffy, relaxing without feeling boring, and incredibly convenient. If you love great food, easy park access, and more refined Disney experience, this resort is a fantastic choice. Now, we want to hear from you. Would you stay at the Disney Riviera Resort, or is it not your style? Let us know in the comments. And if this guide helped you, Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss out on our next Disney adventure. Thanks for watching, and
And
as
as
always,
always,
see
see
you
you
real
real
soon.
soon.